Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I'm going to be making a Christmas Amaryllis arrangement in this pot that I had for multiple years. This is actually the first year I'm actually trying out a Christmas Amaryllis arrangement, and I've been inspired from so many gardeners that I've been seeing, so I decided to hop on and show you guys how I'm going to do it. So if you would like to see this arrangement and how it will come out, please stay tuned with us. So Ultimate Gardeners, I'm going to go ahead and start. So I have the tray that's going to go in the middle, right here. I'm sort of going to be facing it towards the back, because it's going to be a front arrangement in a way. So I have these few amaryllis. So I'm thinking, let me see, I'm going to place them. Yeah, like that maybe. Have them a little bit separated. Amaryllis could be a little bit tight because they're not going to be in this container forever, so which is good. So I'm going to go ahead and just get the bulb, make a little well, and then just nest them in there. You can obviously see where the roots are. You want to nest it in there. So Ultimate Gardeners, I already have the amaryllis bulbs placed in order to fit the dianthus, because the dianthus adds a bit of pop of color, so we can look at something very pretty. Meanwhile, the bulbs aren't blooming. So I have them here. I know we'll have to be knocking out a bit of soil so they could actually fit. So like so, to fit the dianthus in there. It's pretty darn perfect. Have it. So I do have a little bit of top dress that I would like to put on it as a little bit of a helper, and so let me go ahead and get that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up for you guys. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, in this video I showed you guys Christmas amaryllis arrangement I did, incorporating amaryllis bulbs into a flower arrangement that is beautiful for your own home. You can always adjust these plants to your own liking, but us gardeners try to inspire you to get your hands in the dirt and maybe try out some new things. So that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video, you guys. Comment down below what you thought about this container, and I would gladly see what you think about it. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.